Welcome back, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're diving to the world of ground tissue, a critical component of plant anatomy. Ground tissue is one of the three main types of plant tissues, alongside dermal and vascular tissues. It makes up the bulk of a plant's body and plays various essential roles. But here's a question for you. How much of a plant's body is actually composed of ground tissue? Watch the video till end to know the answer. Ground tissue is composed of various types of cells, including Parenchyma cells, Collenchyma cells, and Sclerenchyma cells. First up, let's talk about Parenchyma cells. These cells have unique characteristics, like their isodiametric shape and thin primary cell walls. Parenchyma cells are often referred to as the workhorse cells of a plant because they perform various functions, including photosynthesis, storage, and wound healing. Some parenchyma cells, often referred to as Sclerenchyma, are responsible for the green color in certain plant tissues, such as the flesh of green apples. Ground tissue cells, especially parenchyma cells, can differentiate and turn into stem cells under certain conditions, allowing them to contribute to plant regeneration and repair. In some desert-adapted plants, parenchyma cells in the root cortex can store water to sustain the plant during periods of drought. Now, moving on to Collenchyma cells. These cells have elongated shapes and unevenly thickened primary walls, especially at the corners. These cells are important for young, growing plant parts. Collenchyma cells are often found just below the epidermis and provide flexible support to young stems and leaves, allowing them to bend without breaking as the plant reaches for the sun. Last but not least, Sclerenchyma cells. The term Sclerenchyma is derived from the Greek words skleros means hard and enchyma means tissue, aptly describing the function of these cells in providing hardness and rigidity to plant structures. These cells are specialized with thick secondary walls made of lignin, making them rigid and tough. These cells act as plant bodyguards. Their tough walls protect plant tissues from herbivores and pathogens. Sclerenchyma cells have some of the strongest cell walls in the plant kingdom, and they contribute to the toughness of materials like coconut husks and the shells of various nuts. Ground tissue is distributed throughout the plant body, but its composition and functions can change as the plant matures. That's why woody plants need more Sclerenchyma cells than herbaceous plants. In herbaceous plants, you'll find more Parenchyma cells, while woody plants have a mix of all three cell types, forming the pith and cortex. This change in composition supports their transition from flexibility to strength as they mature. Understanding ground tissue is vital for comprehending how plants grow and adapt. Whether you're a botanist, gardener, or just curious about the natural world, ground tissue plays a significant role in the life of plants. And here's a fun fact to wrap things up. Did you know that some plants can adjust the composition of their ground tissue in response to environmental conditions, and in most plants, ground tissue typically makes up around 90% or more of the plant's total volume. The diversity of ground tissue adaptations across different plant species is a testament to the incredible versatility and adaptability of plants to various environments and ecological niches. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon for more videos about science and biology.